Hey everyone. So, have you ever thought about getting into affiliate marketing?
hmm
Building a website, creating all that content, and then figuring out how to get people to see your offers.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It is.
Right.
But what if there was this platform, right,
Okay.
that uses really cutting edge AI to do all the hard stuff?
Oh, that would
That's what we're looking at today.
interesting.
Yeah, so we're doing a deep dive into wealthy affiliate. Have
Okay.
you heard of this?
Yeah, I've heard there's a lot of buzz around it, right?
Yeah. People are saying it's everything you need to build a successful affiliate marketing business,
Wow.
even if you're totally brand new.
That's a big claim.
It is.
Yeah.
So we've got a ton of info here,
Huh.
from their website, reviews, testimonials, all that,
hmm
to help us figure out,
If it's for real, right?
yeah, is this too good to be true?
Right.
One reviewer actually said that
Really?
about the price.
Huh. Well, maybe we should start with what they actually do.
Okay.
How does wealthy affiliate approach affiliate marketing?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's not just about, throwing banner ads on a site and hoping for the best.
Right.
They teach you how to build niche websites that get traffic, like free traffic, from search engines like Google.
Okay, so organic. So
Exactly.
you create good content that ranks high.
Mm-hmm.
And people who are already interested in that stuff find you.
Exactly. They come to you.
Okay.
And then when you recommend a product, it's something that fits with what your site is all about.
Right. So you're more likely to get the sale.
Yeah, you're reaching the right people.
Smart. And then that turns into passive income.
Yeah, those commissions just keep coming in.
Even when you're not working.
Exactly.
Okay, I get it. But how does Wealthy Affiliate actually help you do all that?
Okay.
They say they have this comprehensive training.
Yeah.
But what does that actually mean?
So their main program is called the Online Entrepreneur Certification.
Okay.
It's got 5 phases, 35 lessons, the whole 9 yards.
Oh, well.
Covers everything.
Yeah.
Affiliate marketing basics, picking a niche, setting up your website, creating content, getting traffic. It's all there.
So they don't just throw you in and say good luck.
No. It's step by step.
Okay, so it's good for beginners.
Definitely.
But what if you already know some of the basics?
Oh, they've got stuff for that too.
Really?
Yeah, besides the main training, they have this huge library of expert classes,
Okay.
over 1,300 of them. SEO, email marketing, social media, YouTube, even stuff like using AI for content creation.
Oh, wow.
You can pick and choose what you need.
So there's something for everyone.
Exactly.
But what I'm really curious about is the AI tools.
Yeah, everyone's talking about that.
Is it really build a website and write content in minutes?
It's designed to be that easy, even if you're not techie at all.
Okay.
So their website builder, Cider Rubix, you can make a whole website in less than a minute. Seriously.
Seriously. Hosting, security, backups, you name it. And a free email account, too.
That's pretty amazing. No coding.
Nope. No coding.
So you can focus on the content stuff.
Exactly.
Okay, well, what about the content creation tools?
All right.
Do they really work?
Can they actually make good content that people will want to read? Their AI writing tools have gotten really good, actually.
Okay.
They're meant to make high-quality content, optimized for SEO, and it's engaging and informative.
Huh.
Of course, you want to look it over and make sure it sounds like you, but it can save so much time.
Especially if writing isn't your thing.
Exactly.
So it's not like just churning out generic stuff.
No, you still add your own touch.
Okay, that's good. But it sounds helpful for getting ideas and stuff.
Absolutely. It can help with writer's block, too.
What else can the AI do?
Well, they have this tool called Niche Finder AI.
Okay.
It helps you find profitable niches.
Oh, that's got to be helpful for beginners.
Yeah, especially if you're not sure where to start. What about the revenue opportunities AI? What's that?
So it looks at popular affiliate programs.
Oh.
And it helps you figure out which ones fit your niche and have the best potential for making money.
So you don't have to research all the programs yourself.
Exactly. It saves you a ton of time.
So it's like having a personal assistant for your affiliate marketing.
Kinda, yeah.
That's cool. But let's talk about the community.
Okay.
They say they have over 2.6 million members.
It's huge.
What's it like to be a part of that?
Imagine this network of entrepreneurs, right?
Okay.
From beginners to people who've been doing this forever.
Wow.
And they're all sharing their knowledge and supporting each other.
That sounds pretty amazing.
You can connect through live chat, direct messaging, or forums.
So it's always active.
24/7, people are sharing tips, advice, encouragement, the whole deal.
I bet that's so helpful, especially when you're starting out.
It's like a built-in support system.
But with so many people Do you ever get conflicting advice?
That's a good point.
Yeah, because everyone's at a different level.
Right. So it's important to do your own research, be careful about what you hear.
Don't just follow everything blindly.
Exactly. And maybe find a mentor in the community who can give you more personal advice.
That makes sense. Okay, let's talk about pricing.
All right.
All these features have to be expensive, right?
You'd think so, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
But actually, no.
Right.
They have a free starter membership.
What?
Yeah. It gives you the basic training, 2 free websites, and you can use the community features.
So you can try it out before you commit.
Exactly. See if it's a good fit.
That's really generous.
Ah.
What if you want to upgrade?
They have 2 premium options,
Okay.
Premium and Premium Plus.
Okay, what's the difference?
So Premium is $49 a month or $499 for a whole year.
Mm-hmm.
You get everything from the starter membership, plus more websites, more advanced training, and all the AI tools we talked about.
That sounds like a pretty good deal.
It is.
What about Premium Plus?
That's their top level. It's $99 a month or $697 a year.
Okay.
It has everything in Premium, plus even more advanced stuff and support.
Like what?
You get access to Jaxi. It's a really powerful keyword research tool.
Wow, okay. So there's a level for everyone.
Yeah.
But the real question is, does it actually help people be successful?
The million-dollar question, right?
What kind of results are people seeing?
There are so many success stories in the wealthy affiliate community.
Yeah.
Like, there's this guy, Simon. He joined 10 years ago.
Okay.
He was able to replace his full-time income within a year,
Wow.
quit his job, and move to Thailand.
Seriously. That's incredible.
It is. It shows you what's possible.
Are there other examples like that?
Oh, yeah, tons.
Okay.
Like Catherine, another longtime member, she's been traveling the world for the past 3 years because of the income she's made with wealthy affiliates.
So they're making a good living from it.
Definitely.
But what about people who aren't at that level yet?
Mm-hmm.
People who are still working towards it?
Oh, yeah, there are plenty of those stories, too.
Okay, good.
Like Daniel, he made $1,100 in just 7 days using their strategies.
Really?
And Veronica, she's a stay-at-home mom who built a whole business while raising her kids.
Wow, that's inspiring.
It is. Not everyone gets rich overnight, but Wealthy Affiliate gives you the tools and support to keep making progress.
It's good to hear those stories. It shows that it's possible.
It definitely is.
But let's be real, building a business still takes work.
Absolutely.
It's not like you just watch some videos and make money.
No magic button, unfortunately.
Right.
Wealthy Affiliate gives you the roadmap and everything you need, but you have to put in the effort.
Makes sense.
But the good news is they don't leave you hanging.
Okay.
You've got the community, the training. They're there for you.
This has been really interesting so far.
Yeah, it's a fascinating platform.
It seems like a good option for building an online business, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing.
I'd agree with that.
But I keep coming back to this one question.
What's that?
With all this AI and automation,
Mm-hmm.
does it make your content sound like generic?
Ah, that's a great question.
Yeah, like how do you stand out from the crowd?
That is a really good point. And it's something to think about. AI can be amazing for making content fast, but you don't want to let it take over completely.
Okay.
Think of it as a starting point.
Okay.
The AI can give you ideas, help you structure your content, even write the first draft.
Mm-hmm.
But then you need to add your own personality, your insights, your experiences.
Make it your own.
Exactly.
So it's like having a writing partner.
Kinda, yeah. The AI handles the technical stuff, grammar, spelling, SEO,
Okay.
and you focus on the creative side. Storytelling, humor, personal stories, your unique perspective.
So you're the best of both worlds.
Exactly. You blend the power of AI with your own human touch.
That makes sense. It's not about replacing human creativity.
No, it's about making it stronger.
Okay, that's good to know.
Mm.
And another thing I'm thinking about,
Yeah.
building a business, it takes time, right?
Absolutely.
It's not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Definitely not.
You have to be patient, keep working at it, and be willing to learn as you go.
That's the key.
So it's important to be realistic.
Yeah, success doesn't happen overnight.
Right. And that's where the community at Wealthy Affiliate comes in, right?
Definitely.
You've got all these people who get it.
Mm-hmm.
They understand the challenges and the rewards.
Exactly.
You can share your struggles, celebrate your wins, and learn from each other.
It's a great environment for growth.
Sounds like they built something special.
They have.
Well, this deep dive has been really informative.
I'm glad you think so.
We've covered a lot.
We have.
From what affiliate marketing is all about to the ins and outs of Wealthy Affiliate.
Mm-hmm.
If our listeners want to learn more, what should they do?
I'd say check out the links in the description and on our website.
Okay.
You can find more info about Wealthy Affiliate, watch a demo of the platform, and even sign up for the free starter membership.
Oh, so they can try it out for themselves.
Absolutely. Risk-free.
That's great. And there's no pressure to upgrade, right?
No pressure.
Yeah.
Take your time, explore, connect with the community, and then decide.
Perfect. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into affiliate marketing and Wealthy Affiliate.
It's been my pleasure.
We hope you found it helpful and maybe even inspiring. Until next time, happy exploring.
Happy exploring. It analyzes popular affiliate programs and it helps you pick the ones that are good for your niche
Okay.
and that have, the best chance of making money.
So take some of the guesswork out.
Exactly. You don't have to spend hours researching.
That's really cool. Okay, so we've talked about the tools.
Mm-hmm.
What about the community?
The community.
Yeah, they say they have over 2.6 million members.
It's massive.
What's it actually like being part of that?
Imagine having this whole network of entrepreneurs from people just starting out to seasoned pros.
Wow.
And they're all there to share what they know and help each other out.
That sounds pretty incredible.
It is. You can connect through live chat, direct messaging, or the forums.
So there's always something going on.
Yeah, it's 247. People sharing tips, advice, encouragement, you name it.
I bet that's so valuable, especially when you're new to all this.
It's like having a built-in support system.
But with so many people, do you ever get conflicting advice?
That's a fair point.
Yeah, because everyone's at a different level, right?
Exactly. So it's important to do your research. Don't just believe everything you hear.
Don't take everything at face value.
Right. And maybe try to find a mentor in the community.
Okay.
Someone who can give you more personalized guidance.
That's a good idea. Okay, let's talk about pricing.
Right.
All these features, it's got to be expensive, right?
You would think, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
But it's actually not.
Really?
Yeah, they have a free starter membership.
A free membership.
Yep. You get the basic training, 2 free websites, and access to the community features.
So you can test it out before you commit to anything.
Exactly. See if it's a good fit for you.
That's amazing. They're really giving a lot away for free.
Yeah.
What if you want to upgrade, though?
They have 2 premium options, Premium and Premium Plus.
Okay, what's the difference?
Premium is $49 a month.
Okay.
Or $499 for the whole year.
Mm-hmm.
You get everything from the starter membership, plus more websites, more advanced training, and all those AI tools we talked about.
That seems like a pretty good deal.
It is.
What about Premium Plus?
That's their top tier. It's $99 a month or $697 for the year.
Okay.
You get everything in Premium, plus even more advanced features and support.
Like what kind of stuff?
You get access to Jaxi. It's this powerful keyword research tool.
Oh, wow. That sounds serious.
Yeah.
So there's a level for everyone.
Yep. Whatever your budget or commitment level.
But the big question is, does it actually help people be successful?
Right. That's what really matters.
What kind of results are people seeing?
Oh, there are so many success stories in the Wealthy Affiliate community.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Well, there's this guy, Simon. He joined 10 years ago, and within a year, he was able to replace his full-time income.
No way.
Yeah, quit his job and moved to Thailand.
That's incredible. It really shows what's possible.
It does.
Are there other people like that?
Tons.
Really?
Like Catherine, she's another longtime member.
Yeah.
She's been traveling the world for the past 3 years
Wow.
because of the income she's made with Wealthy Affiliate.
So they're actually making a good living from it.
Family.
But what about the people who haven't reached that level yet?
Mm-hmm.
The people who are still working towards it?
Oh, yeah, there are plenty of those stories, too.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that.
Like Daniel, he made $1,100 in just 7 days using their strategies.
Seriously.
Yeah. And Veronica, she's a stay-at-home mom who built a whole online business while raising her kids.
That's so inspiring.
It is. Not everyone gets rich quick, but Wealthy Affiliate gives you what you need to keep moving forward.
That's good to hear. It shows that it's possible, even if it takes time.
It definitely is possible.
But let's be realistic. Building a business takes work, right?
Absolutely.
You can't just watch a few videos and expect to be making bank.
No, there's no magic button for that.
Right.
Wealthy Affiliate gives you the roadmap and the tools, but you got to put in the effort.
Makes sense.
But the good news is you're not alone. They've got that community, the training. They're there to support you.
This has been really fascinating so far.
Yeah, it's a pretty impressive platform.
It seems like a really solid option for building an online business,
I agree.
especially for people new to affiliate marketing.
Definitely.
But I keep thinking about this one question.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
With all this AI, does it make your content sound kind of I don't know, robotic?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Like, how do you make your website stand out, have its own voice?
That's a really important point. AI is great for speed, but you don't want to lose that human element.
Right.
It's about finding that balance.
Okay, so how do you do that?
Think of AI as a tool, not the whole toolbox. It can help you with the first steps, like generating ideas, organizing your content, even writing that initial draft.
Mm-hmm.
But then you come in and make it your own.
Okay, yeah.
Add your personality, your unique insights, your experiences. That's what makes it stand out.
So you're working together.
Exactly. It's a collaboration. The AI handles the technical stuff, the grammar, SEO, all that.
Makes sense.
And you bring the creativity, the storytelling, the humor, your own perspective.
So you get the best of both worlds.
Exactly. You combine the efficiency of AI with that human touch.
I like that. It's not about replacing us. It's about working smarter.
Exactly. And it's important to remember, building a business takes time.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
There's no overnight success.
Right.
You got to be patient, persistent, and willing to keep learning.
So it's about the long game.
Absolutely. And that's where that community at Wealthy Affiliate is so valuable.
Yeah, that support system.
Exactly. You're surrounded by people who get it, who understand the ups and downs.
That makes a big difference.
It does. You can share your struggles, celebrate your wins, learn from each other's experiences.
It's like having a whole team behind you.
That's a great way to put it.
Well, this deep dive has been really eye-opening.
I'm glad to hear that.
We've learned a lot about affiliate marketing and Wealthy Affiliate.
We have.
If our listeners are interested in learning more, what do you suggest?
I'd say check out the links in the description and on our website.
Okay.
You can find more info about Wealthy Affiliate, see a demo of their platform, and even sign up for that free starter membership.
So they can try it out risk-free.
Exactly. Explore, connect with the community, see if it's the right fit.
Great advice. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into affiliate marketing and Wealthy Affiliate.
It's been my pleasure.
We hope you found it informative and maybe even inspiring. Until next time, happy exploring.
Happy exploring.